नमस्कार उत्कल दिन विड़ाविற்கு உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறோம் उत्कल दिवस समारोहारे ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen I take great pleasure in inviting you this morning to the 76th Utkal Divas Samaroha Please join me in extending a very warm welcome to the most honorable chief ministers of Odisha and the most honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Thank you very much for your gracious presence, ma'am, sir. I also extend a very warm welcome to the honorable ministers, members of parliament, members of the Legislative Assembly, officials, bureaucrats, industrialists, friends in the media, ladies and gentlemen. Before we begin the day's proceedings, may I now request you all to kindly rise for the Tamil Thai Varthu and the Odia invocation. request Mr. Khirod Kumar Jaina, President, Utkal Association Madras, to deliver the welcome address.
Namaskar. Manakam. Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, our beloved Chief Secretary, Government of Tamil Nadu, respected dignitaries, members, families, and esteemed guests present in this august occasion. It gives me great pleasure, great joy to be part of this grand celebration of Utkal Divas. It is my proud privilege to be the President of the Utkal Association of Madras that is organizing the festivities. Today will be the most memorable day in the journey of the association as we celebrate the 76th Foundation Day of Odisha. I am emboldened to say that this day will be celebrated by succeeding generations to emphasize the strong bonds that bind the two great states of Tamil Nadu and Odisha. This year it is very special as the Honorable Chief Minister of both the states have kindly found time from their busy schedules to grace the occasions and bless the association so that it can continue to grow and achieve its lofty objectives. While the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is gracing the occasion as the chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha is the guest of honor. My joy also soars because today we will perform the Shilanas of Odisha Bhavan. We are especially grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha for their wholehearted support to our humble work. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues, friends, well-wishers and guests for making this event grand success. As befits the occasion, renowned artists from both the states have come together to perform before the august Chief Minister and the well-wisher, members, guests of the Utkal Association of Madras. Jai Jagannath, Bande Utkal Janani.
Thank you, sir. I now request Shri Debendranath Sarangi, IAS, Chief Secretary, Government of Tamil Nadu, to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, respected Mayor, President of the Utkal Association of Madras, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me this golden opportunity to participate in this grand, memorable function. I must say that I am doubly happy to be here. First, I hail from the state of Odisha. Second, I have the rare opportunity of working under the visionary Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, whose depth of knowledge, breadth of vision, and boundless human compassion are simply unmatched. The Tamil Nadu Vision Document 2023, recently released by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, will surely guide the future of Tamil Nadu. Although the state of Odisha was the first state to have been formed based on the linguistic principle, geopolitically and culturally, it has a long history of interactions with Tamil Nadu. For example, the Madras Presidency under the British rule extended up to Ganjam, which is a major city in the southern part of the Odisha state. Even today, the administrative setup in the southern part of Odisha resembles the administrative hierarchy prevalent in Tamil Nadu. During the British rule, a lot of trade has taken place between the regions in Tamil Nadu and the southern regions of Odisha.
The foundation of the Odisha Bhavan shall now be unveiled by the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. I very humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to kindly release a souvenir of the Utkal Association, and I humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha to kindly accept the first copy. We shall now be honoring the eminent artists from Odisha. I now humbly request the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to facilitate Srimati Kumkum Mohanty. I now humbly request the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to facilitate Sri Sudarshan Patnaik. I now very humbly request the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha to facilitate Srimati Vani Jairam. The maestro, one of the finest music composers India has ever produced. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands once again together for Raja Sir. I now very humbly request the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha to facilitate Ilayaraja Sir. I now very humbly request the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha to address the gathering.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Dr. J. Jayalalitha Ji, the Honorable Ministers of Tamil Nadu, the Honorable MPs and MLAs and other distinguished persons from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Sorangi, the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Jena, the President of the Utkal Association of Madras, Mr. Patnaik, the Secretary of the Association, and the awardees who have been honored today. Ladies and gentlemen, Anbana Tamil Nadu Sangodra Sagod Hirigale Vannakam. I hope I got that right, brothers and sisters of Tamil Nadu. It was given to me a minute ago when I got into the car. Pilla mane, jio mane. Tikke again, tikke. Ebong, ma mane, bhai o bhoni mane, bandhu gana. Apan manan ko, samastam ko. Tikke again. Apan manan ko, samastam ko, more namaskar. O more Subhecha Janauchi. It gives me great pleasure to meet you, all of you, here at this memorable function. Indeed, it will certainly be memorable for the Odia people who reside in Tamil Nadu. I convey my greetings to all of you who are present here, and I thank Dr. Jayalalitha Ji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, for gracing this occasion. I'm sure all of you know here, and the Chief Secretary has spoken beautifully about it, such an illuminating way, as indeed has Mr. Jana earlier, that both Odisha and Tamil Nadu represent glorious traditions in art, music, and in dance. We, by we, I mean both the states, occupy a pride of place in India. In the past, Odisha and Tamil Nadu were known for their Kalinga and Chola navigators who launched odysseys to the southern and the eastern seas. They established trade and culture in distant lands. The civilizations of our two regions have dance forms that reverberate across the globe. When the late Biju Patnaik was the Chief Minister of Odisha for the second time, which is in the early 90s, he visited Chennai. I remember later of him speaking of Dr. J. Jayalalitha Ji, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu at that time, as an able, indeed, an excellent administrator. Madam, indeed I endorse the view of my late father. At the end, I'd like to express my sincere thanks to all of you, and particularly to the members of the Utkal Association of Madras for this memorable occasion. And I wish all of you here the very best in all your endeavors. Thank you. Namaskar. Johar.
Thank you, sir. Tamil Nadu is now ruled by the youngest ever lady to be elected Chief Minister. A lady whose vision, gumption, and determination has led to all-round developments in our state. A lady who's a visionary, whose razor-sharp intellect is legendary, a role model, and in whose august presence we are honored to be this morning. May I now humbly request the Most Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to kindly address the gathering.
Shri Naveen Patnaik Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Kiror Kumar Jena, President, Utkal Association, Shri N.R. Patnaik, Secretary, Utkal Association, Honorable Ministers of the Government of Tamil Nadu, Shri Debendranath Sarangi, Chief Secretary, Government of Tamil Nadu, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, I would like to convey my heartiest greetings to the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik Ji, and all the people of Odisha on the Utkal Divas. It is indeed a pleasure to be part of this magnificent event, which marks the commemoration of the birth of Odisha as the first separate linguistic state. My association with Odisha goes a long way back. Going down memory lane, I recall with pleasure Shri Biju Patnaik ji's visits to Tamil Nadu. Shri Biju Patnaik ji was a colossus who strode the political firmament in his time and left indelible footprints on the political environment in Odisha. I am happy today to host Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, the illustrious son of an illustrious father. This day is a celebration of the pristine glory and sublime aesthetic expression of art and culture of the state of Odisha. It is a tribute to the visionary leaders of the Utkal Sammilani like Gaurav Madhusudan Das, Maharaja Krishna Chandra Gajapati, Pandit Neelakanta Das, and Bhubanananda Das, among others, who fought relentlessly to form a politically separate state under British rule on the 1st April 1936 in culmination of the aspirations of the people of Odisha. I am happy to have been given the opportunity of laying the foundation stone for the new Odisha Bhavan in Chennai. We have given 5 grounds of land in Velachery for this project, and I assure the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha that my government will do everything possible to expedite the construction of this Odisha Bhavan. I hope it is completed very soon, and I hope that Shri Naveen Patnaik ji will make another visit to Chennai and give me the opportunity of hosting him again when he comes to inaugurate the new Odisha Bhavan, and I hope I will be invited to participate in this function also. So to sum up, brothers and sisters, let us be guided not by the forces of disintegration, but by those that are making concerted efforts for the consolidation and unity of the states and consequently of our great nation. Thank you. Vanakkam.
I now request Shri N.R. Patnaik, Secretary, Utkal Association, to propose the vote of thanks.
It is my honor and privilege to be representing on behalf of Utkal Association Madras in conveying our heartfelt gratitude to Purachi Talabai Selvi J. Jayalalitha, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and Sri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha. For years, we have been striving to bring together the fragrance and values of the ancient Dravidian culture and Kalinga traditions, and there could not have been a better moment for us than now. Over the last 3 decades, thousands of Orias have made their homes in Tamil Nadu, and for decades, persons from Tamil Nadu have brought glory of Odisha. We are extremely grateful and indebted to those who have given us this opportunity and platform to be with our legendary leaders who have contributed immensely to the development and well-being of their states. We are also extremely grateful to all those officials of the Tamil Nadu government and Odisha government who have worked hard to see this day blossom into this event, and the dream of Utkal Bhavan has come true. The Utkal Association has strived to integrate Oriya culture and ethics of its members into the wonderful and magnanimous state of Tamil Nadu. We are extremely grateful to those who helped us to achieve our dreams and be a part of this great state. We thank you all Orias and Tamil Nadu brothers and sisters who have come from far and wide to this function and make it a success. In a most humble obeisance to this wonderful occasion and blessings of Lord Jagannath, we once again convey our extreme gratitude to the Honorable Chief Ministers who have taken up time to grace this action by their august presence. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. The peninsular states of Tamil Nadu and Odisha are reflected in the ancient texts on maritime trade. The Chola Kalinga navigators spread the culture of our legendary lands as they went on voyages to the spice straits of Malacca, and further on to the exotic Indonesian archipelago. Swargadapi Gariyasi Janani Ma Dharitri. The motherland is celebrated through the lyrical beauty of Odissi dance. The artists will present a glorious panorama of the scenic beauty of Odisha and its treasure trove of sculptural heritage. They also depict the sailors of Odisha bidding farewell to their brides before embarking upon a sea voyage to the distant islands of Bali. This is celebrated even today on Odisha's coastline as the Bali Jatra, when married women float illuminated boats made from plantain peels. And finally, the artists pay homage to the supreme divinity, Lord Jagannath. Thank you. Swargadapi Gariyasi.
श्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं सदरे मगरे रे मा पनि द पद मा पनि द रे मा मगरे रे मा मगरे सा द ने ने ध द रे मा नि द प मगरे वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं ताकिट तक ठीक तक धलांग तक दे दे ता तकरा तगड़ता नीतलांग तक दिगन तक तरिकिता झंतरिकिता तक थिरिता त्रिगरा 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 वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं नीला ससरे मगरे रे मा पनि द पद शीतला
पुलकित यामिनी कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी
सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिनी
सुहासिनी सुहासिनी सुहासिनी
सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिनी
सुखदां वरदां मातरं सुखदां वरदां मातरं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं
वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं
वन्दे मातरं
తగిటి తగిటిత కృతత
तगित दिगित धा
ఏత తింతిన
तगित दिगित धा
ఏత తింతిన
त्रिगुधाता
త్రిగృధాత
त्रिगुधाता
త్రిగృధాత
त्रिगुधा
త్రిగృధా
त्रिगुधा
త్రిగృధా
त्रिगुधा
త్రిగృధా
घन घन वन भूमि राजितंगे
नीलभूधर माला साजे तरंगे
कळ कळ मुखरित चारु विहंगे
जननी जननी जननी
कळ कळ मुखरित चारु विहंगे
जननी जननी जननी
जननी जननी जननी जननी जननी जननी वन्दे
उत्कल जननी वनस्ते डकिला गज वनस्ते डकिला गज जिष्टे सजबाज रज मौज जिष्टे सजबाज रज मौज लो गज बेसी देवराज सजनी लो गज बेसी देवराज
झेणा कड़दे जम तारी ता झेणा ता जम तारी ता झेणा जम तारी ता झेणा ता जम तारी ता झेणा कड़दे जम तारी ता झेणा ता जम तारी ता झेणा जम तारी ता झेणा ता जम तारी ता झेणा कड़दे जम धलांग तारी ता झेणा ता जम तारी ता झेणा धलांग तारी ता झेणा ता जम तारी ता झेणा कड़दे जम ताकिट ताकिट ताक दिन ता दिन दिन 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 ता दिन दिन ताक दिन ता दिन दिन दिना तर 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 ता ताक तगदी के दे ताक तगदी के दे ताक तगदी के ता तुम ता ताक तगदी के दिगिन दा तागदिन दा
Coming your way from Kishore and Group, you're about to witness the very famous Sambalpuri song and a very popular dance, Rangavati.
রঙ্গবতী রে রঙ্গবতী রঙ্গবতী রে রঙ্গবতী হে রঙ্গবতী রঙ্গবতী কোন কলতা বতী পদে কহলু কথা হায় রঙ্গবতী রঙ্গবতী কোন কলতা বতী পদে কহলু কথা
হয় গোলা দে লাগে গোলা দে লাগে এলা দে লাগে গোলা দে লাগে হায় লাগে লাগে নাই নাই সে মাথা গো নাই করো তা এ লাগে লাগে নাই যাও সে মাথা গো নাই করো তা
সপন রাজা সপন সপন রাজা সপন রানী তাকে সুতা মানে বেলা
Now I request the President of Utkal Association, Sri Khirot Kumar Jena, to honor Sri UN Behra, Home Secretary of Government of Orissa. It's a matter of great privilege for all of us to have with us Mr. R.N. Jambuda, the Agriculture Secretary of Government of Orissa. I request our Secretary of Utkal Association, Mr. N.R. Patnaik, to honor Mr. Jambuda.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly rise for the national anthem.